Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about surface integral in vector analysis. Now evaluate the integral over a surface, then that is known as a surface integral. Now if this is surface, yes, okay. Now that we can recognize integral over S of dot and ds. N is a unit outward normal vector for the surface, which is a n, okay, unit outward normal for the surface. Okay. Now f is a vector point function, or that can apply and get the solution. Okay. Now the unit outward normal you can find it for that surface, del s by mod of del s. Now next, now if we f bar we have f1 I plus f2 j plus f3 k, where f1 f2 f3 are continuous and differentiable functions of x comma y comma z, and then integral over s f dot and ds equal to f dot and ds equal to, now integral over s that f1 into dy dx. Now ds, if n we have, let's say is I, say for I, now I dot I we have 1, that I is a unit outward normal, right? Then I is a normal vector for yz plane. Okay. Now the integration become dy dz. Okay. If n is a outward normal, right? If we say this is a surface, now normal like this. Okay. Normal we have like this is a I. Now is a perpendicular to the surface, right? Now if it is a I, the surface should be yz plane plus f2 into, now z is a outward normal, then dz dx is a surface, plus f3 and k is outward normal, then we have dx dy. Okay. Now this is a way you can find the surface integral. Okay. Now if some of the surfaces will not belongs to the coordinate planes, or will not belongs to the parallel to the coordinate planes, if you say x, y and z, now if any surface belongs to xy plane, we simply that surface we have the change along x comma y, use that limit we need to integrate over the surface. Maybe some of the surfaces belongs to yz planes, maybe like belongs to xz plane. Okay, some may be parallel to the xy plane, parallel to yz plane. Some of the planes we have not parallel or not lie on the planes. For that surfaces we simply use the projection. Now that surface we need to project on xy plane or yz plane or zx plane. For that projection, now these are the relations we are going to use it. If let R1 be the projection of S, this is a surface. Now this surface can project on xy plane, then integral over S f dot and ds can be we have double integral over the region R1 and f dot n by n dot k into dx dy. Okay. Now similarly you can have the projection in yz plane. Let R2 be the projection of S on yz plane, then integral over s f dot and ds equal to double integral over the region R2 f dot n by n dot I, okay, perpendicular one, I dy dz. Now let R3 be the projection on xz plane, then integral over s f dot and ds equal to integral over R3 f dot n by n dot j dx dz. Now this is a way we need to use the projection to get the surface integral. Okay. Now these surfaces are not belongs to any coordinate plane or parallel to any coordinate plane. In that situation you can use these projections. Okay. Now look at the problem, then can easy to understand the surface integral. Okay. Now very first problem for the surface integral. if f bar equal to 4x zi minus y square j plus yzk, evaluate integral over c integral over s of dot and ds, where s is the surface of the cube bounded by the planes x equal 0, x equal to y equal 0, y equal to n, z equal 0, z equal to a. Now simply for x equal to 0 is yz plane, x equal to a, now this plane, now f a d g, okay, then this distance is a, okay. Now next y equal 0 is zx plane, now this plane, y equal to a, now this top, okay, top b d g e, now z equal 0, xy plane, now z equal to a, now z equal to a, like this plane, two distances a here, now e g f c, okay. Now this is a cube we have by using of these surfaces. Now for this cube totally we have 6 surfaces. Over each surface we need to integrate it. Now that's why over S f dot and ds can be divided in the 6 surfaces. Now S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. I will take S1, S2, S3, S6 numbers. Now S1 I consider like O, A, D, B. Now S2 I take for O, A, F, C, and S3 I take for O, B, E, C. Now S4 I take for C, F, G, E. Now S5 I take for B, D, G, E, and S6 I take for D, A, F, G. Okay, now 6 surfaces we have. Over that we need to find it. Now total surface area we can divide into the 6 surfaces. Okay. Now first along S1. Now evaluate the 6 surfaces integration one by one. Now at last step we need to add the whole 6 surfaces. We can get how integral over s of dot and ds. Now along S1, now along this S1, O, A, D, B. Now along S1 is lie on xy plane, is lie on xy plane, then z is 0 simply. Then unit outward normal, better you say here unit outward normal. Unit outward normal is what? For the lie on xy plane unit outward normal is minus k, right? Now plus k is a inward normal. Okay, we need to find for outward normal. Outward normal is reverse direction of this z. Okay, now k is a inward normal. Outward normal is minus k. Okay, now unit outward normal is minus k. Okay, now f dot and ds equal to f is a given f dot, unit outward normal is n is minus k into dx dy. Now for this x comma y in this xy plane, for x varies from 0 to a and y varies from 0 to a. Okay, now x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to a. Now when you apply the dot product, now there is no I and j here, simply they are zeros. Only k we have, y is at dx dy. What is the z value? 0. Apply for z equals 0, this term 0. Okay, now total is 0. Now next along S2, OFCF is lie on xy plane where y equal to 0. Where y equal to 0, right? S2, I'm going to look at for S2, OAFC is lie on xz plane, y equal to 0. Unit outward normal plus j is a inward normal. Outward normal is opposite direction, minus j. Okay. Now here xy plane y equal 0, unit outward normal is minus j. Okay. Now f dot and ds equal to, now your dot product minus j. Now your minus j into minus is plus y square dx dy. Now y value is 0, simply this value is 0. Of course the varies with x and z is 0 to a only, but it's not depend on that, simply integrand 0, integration is 0. Now next we have along S3, now O, B, E, C, EC is lie on YZ plane where x equals 0, unit outward normal is minus I. Okay. Now unit outward normal is minus I. Now apply f dot and ds. Here minus 4xz dy dz. Now here x equals 0. Now x absolute 0, simply 0. S1, S2, S3, 3 are zeros. Okay. Now next go for finding for S4, S5, S6, S4, CFGE is parallel to xy plane. One side look at it. Similar case we can apply for S5 and S6 also. CFGE now is parallel to xy plane where z is a constant, right? Z moving from this xy plane to up to the ITA. Now z we have constant value, that z equal to a. Z equal to a. Now unit outward normal is, for when we take for this is a plane, outward normal is this direction. Okay. If we take this direction, it's negative, but is inward, right? Now outward direction is along z is a unit vector is plus k. Okay. Now is a plus k. Okay. Now f dot and ds we have where x comma y varies from 0 to a. Now dot k here y z dx dy. Now z value here constant. Okay. Z equal to a, that I wrote outside. Now integrate with respect to y. It may be use integrate with respect to x, we can get the same. Now integrate with respect to y. Now y square by 2. Now apply the limit a square by 2. Lower limit is 0. Now you next integrate with respect to x. Is integrand is 1. Now simply integration is x. Apply the limits. A minus 0 is a. Now totally a power 4 by 2. Now along S5. Along S5. Now S5 is parallel to xz plane where y equal to a. Unit outward normal is j. F dot and ds applied. Here j become minus y square where x comma z is varies from 0 to a. Now where y equal to a square, substitute here. Now apply the integration with respect to z and x. Then we have first integrate with respect to z. You can get a with respect to x, again a. Now total is minus a power 4. Now integral s power 6 applied is parallel to yz plane where x equal to a. Now unit outward normal is I. Apply it, and now where y comma z belongs to 0 to a. Varies from 0 to a. Now apply the limits. Then where x equal to a, substitute here. Now here 4 here I did outside. Now remaining z we have here. There you have z dy dz. Now apply the integration. Now first with respect to z, next with respect to y, do it, you can get the 4a square. Now integral over s f dot and ds equal to integral over s1, s2, s3, s4, s5, s6. Now all integration you can apply the values. Then total we have 3a power 4 by 2. Okay. Now next video we are going to use a projection to find the surface integral. Thank you.